What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. Check it out real quick. We got the 350Z finally home. It was at baby's shop for like 2 weeks since our last drift event. But check it out, I gotta fix the exhaust and I gotta wash this thing because it's kind of dirty. She needs a nice wash. It's brutal. Alright, broskies, check it out. We also got baby's 370Z here at the house. We are gonna be painting this car. Check it out. I already started sanding it down. Let me show you guys real quick. Check it out. This door was kind of bad when baby first painted it this color. He just like gave it a light sand and then just painted it. But I'm gonna try to fix like these scratches right here. I'm gonna try to get rid of them. But broskies, do you guys remember I took my VSKFs to get fixed because they were wobbly? The inner barrels were kind of beat up. I just got a call from 3P's Wheels USA and I'm about to go pick them up right now. And I'm gonna bring them home and put them on the car. So I'm excited for that. Car's gonna look sick again with the VSKFs. So chingon. Let's go get them. They're about finishing them up. Almost done. Hell yeah. That's one of the wheels. What's up, baby?
What do?
The wings, I'll do the
Broskies, I'm falling asleep. No mames.
don't be.
Oh, su pinche madre. It's fucking hot today too. So, mames. I won't be able to install the tires until tomorrow because I guess they just laid the sealer for the wheels, and I gotta let it dry until tomorrow.
It's 4342.
Just cleaned up my lip. Check that shit out. Mothers for the win. Check it out. Check out the difference though. Bien perra, no? I still need to polish this one up real quick. But yeah. See or no? Alright, broski, so it's the next day. I just finished washing the car. Check it out. Nice and fresh. Alright, so right now I'm gonna mount the tires and then we'll put them on the car and see how they look. I bought this Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Wax yesterday. It's pretty dope. Leaves the car nice and shiny. Look, I even tried it right here on baby's car and it looks really shiny. It's pretty good. Alright, broskies, let's mount the tires real quick. Both tires are on. Got them looking shiny. This is what I use. I bought this at the detail garage, number 7. It's pretty sick. Alright, let's mount them and then see how it looks. Damn, broskis, I definitely need to clean up the rear lips. But check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Damn, looking sexy. Alright, broski, so I think next time I need tires, I think I'm gonna run like a 225. This one's a 235 and it looks kind of fat. Remember, the wheel got smaller, so the tire fits a little bit better. I like that look, that track, you know, that track look. But we're probably gonna fuck up our fender. So I mean, fuck it. If I fuck it up, fuck it. No hay pedo. Crown Carbon's got me, but next time I need tires, I'm just gonna go with the smaller size. Other than that, car looks freaking sexy. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Remember I told you guys I was gonna repaint it? Well, I ended up like polishing it like really good. I ended up like buffing it really good and I kind of like it now. I am gonna repaint the side skirts and maybe both doors and then the rear bumper. So other than that, the whole car is pretty good. Oh, and then that A-pillar. Remember, we still haven't painted this one, but it looks sexy now. It looks like half decent, you know. Doesn't look too bad. I don't know if you guys can see the flakes from like right here. Sheesh, looks sexy. And then probably the weekend we're gonna paint this one. I still haven't finished sanding it down, but I'll get it done. So on the next video, that car might be black. If not, we got something for this car. Remember, we fucked up the exhaust at the track, so I got something cooking for this. We're gonna make it loud, so stay tuned, broskies. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.